Start.
Good morning everyone. This is me Jayapriya from Vailtech Multitech Engineering College, and my department is Embedded System Technologies, and my topic for today is reduced systolic finite field multiplier design for polynomial, and my guide name is Mr. M. Sivasubramaniam. And the abstract of my project is my project is about to provide an area efficient and low complex multiplier designed for GF2 to the power of m on all one polynomials. Here the multiplier which I am going to design is for an irreducible all one polynomial. Here GF means it is nothing but the Galilean field multiplier, which also means finite field multiplier. Finite field multiplier simply means the multiplier which reduces the number of the bits in the final output. Whereas solvent polynomial is the one in which the polynomial expression will be having the coefficient to be 1, and irreducible all-one polynomial is nothing but the polynomial expression which we are going to which cannot be factorized easily. And my proposed technique is about to provide a reducing technique to reduce the register in the systolic structure. Finally, I am going to implement the multiplier. My design multiplier in an RS encoder, which is a cryptographic application, and the hardware implementation I am going to do it with the FPGA kit. And the main objective of my project is to design a finite field multiplier of a low complex and area efficient and low time complex multiplier. And as I already said, I am going to implement it with a FPGA kit for a hardware implementation. And finally, implementation in RS encoder is the application of my project. The existing system. In my existing system, there is already two section of multipliers. One is the digit serial systolic multiplier, and the other one is the bit parallel systolic Montgomery multiplier. In both the cases, the algorithm used is Montgomery multiplication algorithm, and this is the Montgomery multiplication algorithm I am using. There is three expression here, where C it means the final output of the multiplier, and X it means the multiplication, that is the multiplier of the multiplication of the multiplier, and A I plus 1 it means the addition process which is undergone in the multiplier. And the drawbacks in my existing system is space complexity is high, circuit complexity and latency is high. Still, effective multiplier can be implemented in an RS encoder. And this is the existing system block diagram. And as I already said, there are two structures which is now in the existing system. One of the structure is the systolic structure. In the systolic structure here, I have the processing elements arranged in the serial form. That is, the processing elements are arranged one after the another, so that the latency is also increased, as well as the number of registers used in the systolic structure will also be more. The next existing system is the low latency systolic structure. Here even the advantage here is compared to the systolic structure is, in this low latency systolic structure, the processing elements are being arranged in the parallel form, so that the number of the registers in the processing elements can be reduced because it has been arranged in the parallel form.